In this video, I'll guide you through how you can add LinkedIn URL on your resume. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To add LinkedIn URL on your resume, you have to open LinkedIn on a browser and open canva.com. Once you open canva.com, then click on templates and search for resume. Now choose the resume which you want to customize. Let's go with this on and click on customize this template. After customize the template, you have to open your LinkedIn account and click on your profile. Now tap on view profile and copy your LinkedIn URL. Go back to canva.com and choose the text where you want to add your LinkedIn URL. Then click on this link insert icon and paste your link here. Now click on done button. Once you have added your LinkedIn URL on your resume, then you have to click on the share button and choose download and set your current phase and then file type, choose PDF standard. Now click on download button. Then the resume will be downloaded on your computer. Let's open the resume. Once you click the text, then your LinkedIn profile will be open. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily add your LinkedIn URL on your resume.